Hello everyone, it's me Rajan from Birganj Parsa in Nepal. Here I am staying in Philippines in Pirts Condovile near the college only. I selected GCM College of Medicine to pursue medicine as it is very popular among the medical students. It has well managed classroom, well equipped laboratory, lab facilities, and it has also proper infrastructure facilities. Teachers are very cooperative and helpful. They help us to understand the subject matter very clearly. They are well educated and experienced, so they make us understand the subject matter both in practical and theoretical way. So I highly recommend next year students to join GCM College of Medicine and pursue medicine and have a bright future. Thank you.